using the numbers 2, 3 and 5 and the operation of positive, that is addition and subtraction, and brackets as necessary, generate expressions to give as many different values as possible. So they already given us an example. We have 4 and 0. So we are trying to figure out other set of numbers. Okay. First thing first, when I looked at this question, I tried thinking of can we get 1? 0 is already done. I was thinking of can we get 1? Then I realized that this is even. These two are odds. So whatever I do, I cannot get an odd number because addition and subtraction between two odd numbers gives me an even number, and addition and subtraction with an even number gives me an even number again. So basically I have odd plus or minus odd. This you guys have studied. Plus or minus even will always give me even. So I can't think of 1, 3 and so on and so forth. So I can stop thinking about such numbers. I spent around say 10-12 seconds. I didn't realize that. Then I was like, why am I not getting 1? Then I was like, oh, it's odd, odd, even. Right, guys? So that's one thing that we have to keep in mind. So we have possible numbers. So that is what we have to finalize. Say we might get, so we can't get 2. We can't get 2 over here. So 4 is already done. Then is 6. And then it is, we have 10. Yeah, I can see that. And also if I can get 6, I can also get minus 6. And I can also get minus 10. Right? I think we have covered all the possibilities, and minus 4 also. So if I'm able to do all of that, I can get minus 4 as well. So let's look at the solution. Let's start with minus 4. So honestly, I can take this. All I have to do is minus 2 plus 3 minus 5. I just took the negative additive inverse of all of this. So by default, we'll get that answer. So you can see that minus 2 plus 3 will give me 1. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. This is giving me minus 4. So this is done. Then we need 6. 6. How can I get 6? So if I have 5 plus 1, I'll get 6. So I have 5 plus of 3 minus 2. This will give me 6. So this is done. Then minus 6 also I can try it off. It's quite simple. Minus 5 minus of 3 minus 2. This will give me minus 6. All I did was I took the negative of all of this. Right? All the terms. Remember there are two terms, 1 and 2. Negative of 5 is minus 5. Negative of plus of whatever this expression is, minus of that. As simple as that. So that's the advantage of brackets. Did you see that? Inside the brackets, I'm not touching up. All I did was I changed the sign of two terms. I'm looking at two terms. I changed the sign of two terms and I got a negative answer. So we have 10 finally. 5 plus 3 plus 2 will give me 10. If you guys want to use bracket for the sake of it, we can do this. And minus 5 minus of 3 plus 2 will give me minus 10. So this and this done. Yeah, guys. So this is the maximum and this is the minimum, and we can have only even number because of this fact. I think we have covered everything.